In this video, I will show you how to access the room's camera and microphone for video conferencing. If you are using your own device, you must connect the USB-A cable shown here. This cable allows you access to the camera and microphone in the room. The list of classrooms on the left have dedicated in-room computers. If you're using your laptop to run the video conferencing meeting in one of these rooms, you will need to select Laptop for Display 4 on the touch panel. If this is not done, the AV Bridge will default to the in-room computer. Once you have connected your device, open your desired video conferencing software. For this example, I will use Zoom. Once you have started your video conferencing meeting, select the arrow next to the microphone and camera to change them to the AV Bridge option. Some devices will automatically default to this option, but others will not. It is always recommended to check this by selecting the arrow to bring up the microphone and camera options. Testing 1, 2, 3. Please refer to the camera controls video for instructions on how to adjust the camera to your desired position in the room. If you are using the in-room PC for video conferencing, select Room PC on the touch panel as the source for the displays in the room. Use your identikey to sign in on the Room PC. The camera and microphone will automatically be set to the room's camera and microphone option for your video conferencing meeting.